this History Illustrated video, we're going to focus on the vocabulary word proportional. Before we begin, though, I want you to realize that there is a word inside of this word, that word being portion. A portion of something. For example, if you and your brother bought a pizza, you would be entitled to a portion of it. You would get your fair share, or rather, a part of it. That is your portion. When we're talking about proportional, it is very related to this idea that you're getting part of something. In American history, when we're talking about government, we're talking about voting or the number of votes. So if I have a state and we're all a part of the United States, we all get a portion of it. So we all get a portion of the number of votes. So I'm going to show you a couple of states here, the largest states in terms of population. So the more people you have in your state, the more votes you get. That is your portion. So if I have a very large state such as California, which has the most people in the United States, they would get a very large portion, right here, portion of the number of votes. Texas, being the second largest, would get another large portion, but not quite as much as California. And the same thing with Florida, not quite as much as Texas because they're slightly smaller in terms of population. And then, of course, the smallest states with the lowest population would get a very little number of votes. That is their portion because they have less people. They require less votes. So proportional is dividing the number of votes up and putting them into each state based on the number of people that live there.